I mean, not an expensive trip. I think it was under $50 to go to IKEA to get these items, but they make me happy. They're for my home, and I like to share it with you guys. Well, hello, my dear friends. I've decided to put together another mini IKEA purchase haul, quote unquote haul, from yesterday's visit. I seem to find that there are more views on my channel when it comes to me spending money. So I didn't spend a whole lot, but I do want to share the few items and the idea that I put together. So here we go. Stopped by IKEA because I needed something special for a project that I had. I needed something special for the house for a project that I had put together. So this is going to be part of the video, but I didn't splurge a lot. I just wanted to show you a few things that I bring into my home that maybe you'd like to bring into your home, because it just makes me happy. So let's get to it. First thing, candles. You all know that I blow candles like nobody's business. I'm always posting about it. I do it in the morning. I do it for myself. I do it in the house. I do it when people are over. I do it all the time. And so I just go through them so much. But lately I've been feeling kind of bad because I have all these containers or vessels that I don't need to use anymore. So I do repurpose them. I donate them or I recycle. Inside of me, I'm like, well, I keep buying these glass candles and it's not necessary. So IKEA has these little tea light candles that actually smell good. And we love the vanilla scent. And you know, there are a few others that maybe, but I'm very picky with smells and I don't really like rosies and things like that. But the vanilla is always a safe and good smelling candle in my opinion, in our opinion. But these, I picked these up. So what I do is I obviously I put them in other little containers or vessels that I think were so pretty that maybe were glass with a cool design, and then I just light them up, but they still smell really good. So it's a kind of like a nice way to still have a candle, light up the room without having to buy the whole container. And you know, these are not too expensive. I don't have the pricing with me, but I'll let you know in the comments below so you have an idea. But super economical and they smell good. So that's product number one. Product two, more candles. But let me explain. There are different types of candles, and this one is actually for different areas in the room that I like to put it in. So maybe at the dining room table. But these are the candlesticks that they have, and obviously I picked it up because number one, I don't have black candles and I think it's really nice to have. Usually they're white, but these were black and I said, you know what, hold up, let me pick these up. But my favorite thing about these candles from IKEA is that they are dripless. Now don't get me wrong, I really like the drip look to the candles. They get a little messy, but you know, you can always kind of scrape it off. But these do not drip. They actually kind of create a little indent and then it just like all the way down, but they don't drip. So I really like that I picked these up, and I'll be putting these on my dining room table for, you know, whenever company's over for like candlelit dinner. So these are called the KLOKHET. So again, nothing too expensive, pretty good price, and I'll link it below. Item three. Okay, so believe it or not, this is a silly purchase, but I'm thinking, you know, I bought it for a specific reason. So growing up in middle school, I used to time myself. So I used to have an alarm, and I remember so much that if I woke up, I had an order, I would do the bed, go brush my teeth, and then every time I looked at the clock, it was always almost the same time every time. So it took me about the same time to brush my teeth, the same time to do the bed, and if I ran behind, I knew that I was gonna be behind or late to school. So I actually picked up this cute little clock to put in my bathroom. Right beside the sink, so that when I woke up I kind of knew where I was at along with the process, because I jump around a lot when it comes to real estate. I'm always checking my phone, my emails on my phone is my life, my phone is my business, and so I tend to get distracted. So I've been trying to be good about putting my phone away the first hour of the day or so, depending on the time. If I wake up at 5, it'd be more. Yeah, so this is my cute little clock to put beside the sink to keep me in order. And this, I hope and believe it's going to keep me accountable. Item 4. So I had no intention of buying this one item, but it was calling my name and it was black and I thought I could find a place for it. So here it is. I actually bought this mirror that they have. I think it's part of their new collection. It's called the RIBBA, obviously I'm going to put this on the link below, or link this below, and please don't mind, I try to be perfect, but I'm not perfect. And here, I think Romeo ended up getting onto putting his slobbery nose on it, but oh, you can see yourself. This is going to go in a different spot of the house, and I have just the area that I think I want to hang it up in. And so actually Ariel liked it. He said, hey babe, I like that mirror. And I'm like, you do? So anytime he likes when I spend money, I'm happy. So just, yeah. So I will be posting this on the social medias. And last but not least, I don't have with me because it's pretty big, but to give you an overview, I've been taking pictures of things around the house. And so recently I bought some beautiful roses from Trader Joe's, and I set them in a certain spot, and I'm like, you know what, like when I see something that I really like and it captivates my eye, I want to take a picture of it, whether it's with my iPhone or my camera. This time I took it out with my camera and I took a picture of these roses, and I just loved how they came out. So what I did was I actually decided to blow it up and print it and see how it would come out. Now I used Free Prints, it's like an app, to see how the image would come out. It came out pretty decent. I think, if someone were more advanced in printing photos, they might say, hey, there are better options, more economical, better quality. But I was pleased with the result for a first timer, and so I bought this really big frame at IKEA that was not so, it wasn't a crazy price, but it fit the idea that I wanted. So I put my the photo I took of my roses, blew it up, and then now I framed it into this IKEA frame that I'm gonna put over my bed. Sorry, I get stuck with words. So I'm gonna hang it up over our bed, and I'm gonna see how that looks. I just I have a thing for roses, so I think I might take pictures of more of them, but I don't know. I think they're just so beautiful. They have all these pretty curves and different tones of red or of pink, of blush, of white, and then depending on the angle, you can capture really nice photos. So in general, that's kind of like what I pretty much up to. I'll take pictures of food, and it's like a little much, but I don't know, it's like a hobby. I tend to enjoy it. So yeah, I mean, not an expensive trip. I think it was under $50 to go to IKEA to get these items, but they make me happy. They're from my home, and I like to share it with you guys. And like I said, I've been noticing on my YouTube channel that people tend to like the videos where I spend money. So I'm already doing it for me, might as well share it with you, and hopefully you can enjoy it with me. And if you end up buying anything, please comment below. Let me know if you're liking the same items, if you felt like it was worth it, not worth it. But yeah, I always like to make a connection. So hope you enjoyed my fast talking video, and that I didn't bore you too much. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Just so you are aware, I kind of started my YouTube channel because I wanted to share with the world a little bit about home design and decor, a little bit about real estate, a little bit about lifestyle, maybe some things around Jacksonville. So I'm doing this all on my own for now. I plan to do different things, different projects in the future, but for now I'm trying to just get comfortable with my camera and my own editing. So I am the one behind the editing and adding the music, and trying my very best to do it as well as possible. But I'm just starting somewhere. I'm trying to get comfortable. So with anything in life, guys, if you're not comfortable, just throw yourself at it. It gets easier and easier as you maneuver through it. It is kind of stressful in the beginning trying to figure things out in general with anything in life, but once you get the hang of it, it will always be better. So thanks for watching me. Hope you come back to visit, and I plan to be posting more videos about lifestyle, home decor, a little bit about real estate, maybe a little bit about more shopping, other stuff. I don't know. You tell me. Talk to you soon.